My lords and my ladies, the play you are about to watch is satire, based on some political situations during a time of unrest in the SCA. However, to really understand the background of this play, we need to step back. Yes, back to the year AS-19. Think back, 9 years back. Once upon a time, in the Kingdom of the West, there was a shire. This shire became a barony. The members of this barony were an unusual bunch. They viewed the SCA a little differently than everyone else did. The barony was called the Westermark. The Westermark was known for its tendency to party hard, a lot. You knew if they were at an event by the Budweiser can stacked up on the feast table as a centerpiece, or stacked up near the fire pit at an event. You knew they were watching court by the cheers of hoo-yah instead of the more traditional hurrah or hooray.
Ooh, Westermark, you're glory!
Oh yeah, and that. However, the Westermarkers did one thing well, whether or not it was intentional on most of their parts. They made those folks who were getting too serious about the SCA stop and think a little. For many folk take themselves too seriously, and the Westermarkers made fun of them. This was a good thing in that it made many of these people realize they were also in the SCA to have a good time.
Yay!
One day, in the early days of the Westermark, there arrived a red-haired, and I mean red, not that orange color we usually call red hair, leather-jacketed man with a wild look in his eye appeared. This man knew a good thing when he saw it, and it was the Westermark. One day, he wrote a play. He got the Westermarkers to produce it. It went over well. He did another, and another, and thus was the fame of Gerhardt von Nordflammen and the Westermark Players born. Now, during this time, around the year AS-19, a member of the board of directors of the SCA by the name of Lorian of Woodford decided that there was a problem with the awards structure of the SCA. He felt that it was blatantly unfair, in that the only way to attain awards was if you were a hard worker, or talent in some area or another. If you were not a hard worker or did not have any particular talents, you did not receive awards. Funny that. So, Lorian spent a lot of time thinking. And whilst thinking, he wrote a treatise called Trends of Change. This paper, which managed to be disseminated widely throughout the SCA, gave what Lorian felt to be a more democratic system of awards. Yes, for by this system, anyone who earned enough points by showing up to events could eventually become a peer, and perhaps even king. And the concept of peerage points arrived, and it was rejected by the SCA at large, and Lorian of Woodford left the board of directors in disgrace. However, the paper, Trends of Change, was read by one Gerhardt von Nordflammen, who immediately wrote a play about it, and for he felt that the board of directors had gone too far. And this is the play you are about to witness. If at this point anything in the play confuses you, well, I've done my best to explain, so hope.
Hey, boss, over there. Hey, Leo, how's it going? Sell me that hand, boys. Sell me that hand.
Oh, it's a great hand, boss. It's the best hand.
All right, you gonna sell today?
I'm gonna sell.
You gonna what?
I'm gonna sell!
All right, get it on.
Good morning, madam. Can I interest you in the last word in fully automatic home care vacuum cleaning systems?
Okay.
Right you are, my good woman. No home can be without the autotonic duo bivalve rotating suction action, the deep pile vibrometer bar, or the sturdy plastic grip. A wise decision, my dear, a wise decision. No need to pay in cash. All you need is your handy credit card. Let's see, that's $9999999999999. Just 12 years below, no monthly payments. Thank you very much. Do come again.
He'll reward us greatly. Perhaps he'll give us a pizza. I'll freeze him with my stun ray.
Good morning, Ken.
Let's return him to the saucer. Woman! Observe, this specimen is defective. Yeah, it's got an ugly 10-inch growth between its legs. We must leave it behind. Should we wake it? Nah, it won't be asleep 300 years. It'll find the nap restful.
Hey, Leo, how's it going? Oh my God! He's frozen solid! Leo! Leo! It's no use. What to do? What to do? Got it. Ed? Ed? Yeah, this is Bill. Look, ask men's clothing if they need another mannequin, all right? Oh, and before you do anything else, call maintenance, have this table fixed, and punch me off. Thanks. Item. Leo Blairman, salesman extraordinaire, who's just lost the part of chief actor in his life, only to be cast as a bit player in someone else's cosmic drama. Thrown forward into a strange and unknown world whose only reference point for mine clinging tenuously to the last shreds of sanity is membership in a rather obscure leisure time organization. Witness Leo the Shrieker, thrown forward into the past, into the Twilight Zone.
Can I interest you in... What the?
Where am I?
Hello.
Tis a man. Meet things. Yet like no man of everything. First of all, it's fragrant, blue, and unwrinkled, with its dull luster of fish belly rotted. Oh, strange.
Hello. Is there a attorney around here? Are you in the SCA?
Who are you? Are you in a play?
No. Where am I? How'd I get here?
Well, stranger, you are in the kingdom of the best. But as to how, you would know better than we.
Oh, wow. Where's the Westermark Pavilion?
Westermark? Is that where you're from?
Sure is.
Run for it, chase him!
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on? You're doomed! You'll not see the kingdom of Westermark again.
But, kingdom? It's a barony.
It's been a kingdom since A.S. 40, a rebel province calling itself such.
Wait a minute. What year is this?
Why, A.S. 319, of course.
My God! I've been asleep for 300 years!
Silence, dog! You, wait with the prisoners. I will go and inform the BOG that we bring 2 miscreants to judgment. All right, you two. No funny business. Hello. I'm Lady Alethea, the pedant.
Leo the Shrieker.
Pardon me, you said you'd been asleep for 300 years?
That's right. Last thing I knew, it was AS-19. What happened?
To you? I don't know. To the world? Well, in about AS-33, there was this junior high school computer class that broke into the firing control system of something called Stag. They thought it was a new video game.
Oh my God.
Well, anyways, the SCA took over what was left. And now the world is ruled by the BOG's mailed fist.
The BOG? The Board of Guidance? What happened to the power of the kings?
Gone. They are mere appointees who amassed enough king points and passed all the exams, and then they're crowned by the Board of Gods.
The what?
Aye, that's their title now. The Board of Gods. That's why I'm a prisoner. A scholar, I search for truth. But there's so little left of the olden days. Eyeglasses, condoms, even duct tape. like you.
Like me? Why me?
You're from Westermark. That land, and a few other far-off realms, welded into the PTFUF. They dispute the laws of the almighty BOG, and have been at war with the BOG's kingdoms for over 200 years. You, my friend, are their mortal foe.
Oh, jeez, what a mess.
All right, let's go. The BOG will judge you now. Oh, wait, just a minute. Your name rings a bell. Leo the Shrieker, right?
Right, yeah. Why? Does it appear in the history books?
No. The Heralds passed your device last week.
Let's see. Oh, business!
I vote no.
Now, wait a minute, you fool. We haven't gotten that far yet. Please continue, Lord Tancred.
I still vote no.
Oh, business! The Shire of Sea Spray would like to change the spelling of its name.
To what? E spray? F spray?
This proposal